Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials running: Android Studio, JDK, and the SDK. Open your game project or select a game template. This saves setup time and config. Once done, configure an emulator image or connect a physical device with USB debugging enabled so you can test quickly. Make sure Gradle sync completes without errors, because unresolved dependencies will stop the build. Now you're ready to move into build settings and runtime options. Don't skip the emulator performance adjustments. You now focus on building and optimizing the run configuration. Select the debug build variant to iterate rapidly. Use release only when signing for distribution. Adjust emulator settings, assign more RAM, and enable hardware GPU to get playable frame rates. If Gradle throws errors, update libraries and verify Min SDK version matches the game's requirements. Once Gradle finishes, pick the target device, press Run, and watch logs in Logcat to confirm assets load. If performance lags, profile C. You're at the finish line. Deploy the APK from Android Studio or push the app to a device and exercise core gameplay paths. Observe touch input, audio, and target frame rates. Use Android Profiler to capture CPU and memory traces while playing. If crashes occur, inspect stack traces in Logcat and reproduce the bug with a minimal test case. Make sure to clear app data, rebuild the project, and, if needed, test on a different device or emulator image. This often isolates device-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.